Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the old den of tools. And today we're talking about new tools from Harbor Freight. And the first one, it's a big one. I'm guessing a lot of you have heard about it, at least the ones who are interested in this sort of thing. But we got to talk about it. Of course, that is the Ghost, the 212 kart racing ready to go engine from Harbor Freight. Well, ready to go with an asterisk at the end of it. This is a lot of people in the kart racing, let's back up. A lot of people in kart racing have been using the Predator 212 for years and years and years. There's tons of places online you can go and buy performance kits and all sorts of stuff for these engines. People tune the snot out of them. I've heard them getting karts going, 70, 80 miles an hour using these tuned engines. Well, Harbor Freight decided they wanted to jump in on the game. They're like, who better than the factory, their own M Motorsports shop, turning these out. And we got it right here for $300. And let's see the specifications on it. It's squeeze cast T6 heated, yada, yada, yada. Ground cam, built-in mechanical compression, forged carbon steel, racing crankshaft, high silicon valve springs. That was something we were talking about before. High flow racing intake port, digital timing advance ignition with built-in rev limiter at 6,000. Round slide carburetor, fire ring head gasket, racing piston ring package, and nitrated dished exhaust valve. Now, here's the thing. This is competition. It says competition use only. Requires exhaust and intake components. Now, you can bring your own, but they're also selling a kit for that for $150. You're getting the full accessory kit to basically make this a turnkey project. So for basically, we're looking at $450. You've got a ready to go, race ready. And they even have a picture of it. Come on, if I can get it to come up. Yes, that is a Predator kart. They actually took these, they built them into karts, went out and tested them, did the whole 9 yards. That is insane. That is so cool. Can you imagine being on that test group? I bet they were turning people away. Like, I want to test it today. I would sign up for that. Anyway, let's move along to some of the other tools. Here we go. Check this out. If you've been waiting for the grease guns, we were talking about in the live stream just the other day. I'd heard they were hitting stores this week, and we've got it right now. 20-volt cordless variable speed grease gun from Bauer, tool only for $120. Or you've got the Hercules version, tool only for $130. And you're like, well, what's the difference between these other than one takes Bauer batteries and one takes Hercules batteries? I'm going to say not much. They're both 5 ounces per minute at 10,000 PSI. They're going to do your basic grease gun kind of applications. The real difference is the Hercules, I think, has got a longer hose. I think it's 40-some inches. It's 48 inches. And the Bauer's I think a 30-something, 36-inch. So you're going to get a slightly longer hose with the Hercules there. Basically, just grab the one that's in the battery platform you're already in. All right, next up, we got a universal coupler receiver lock. This is a nice little thing to have. If you've got a trailer around, there's a lot of different ways to secure your trailer. Just make sure you do it. You don't have to use this one. Just make sure. Not too many trailers just up and go missing. We got the aluminum bearing and seal driver set there from Icon. Yet more automotive tools from Icon coming out. Cobra. A lot of people have been asking about the security camera systems, and they've been upping their game over there. This is their 4K indoor-outdoor NVR security camera system with 2 cameras. It'll connect up to 8 channels on this. I'll be honest, I've got a system similar to this. It's just, you know what, the fan in these cases is loud. I don't like it. I like the new Wi-Fi stuff, but you know what? They got that too. But now it's not 4K, okay? And that you don't see many of the wireless in 4K. 8-channel, 1080p NVR wireless security system with 2 weather-resistant cameras. $250. You're getting the 2 cameras and the base station there. You can put them up around your house, that kind of thing. You're still going to need to find a way to get power to them. I think. I don't believe. Are they battery operated? I don't think they're battery operated. A huge 1 terabyte drive. Camera saying I don't see anything about a battery. No. You're still gonna have to find a way to get power to them. But that said, that's not a bad price for a system like that. All right, Predator engine, the generators, I should say. The generators, this is the same generator that's been out before. You're seeing a bunch of these. If you see it in the new items, what they're doing is they're re-releasing all their old Predator generators with the new CO Secure technology to match the current safety ratings that are being. There's some board that manages generators. It's a self-managed by companies who actually make generators, and they decided this year CO was the big thing they were going to tackle. So almost every generator you can see the new ones coming out, they're going to be CO secure, or have that kind of technology built into them. Predator 6-inch 43cc 2-stroke gas cultivator. You want to churn up some soil with a little Predator motor there? You can do that for $220. What else we got? We got the foam can. I know I talked about this before because this is cool, because if you've got the Predator pressure washer, they've come out for $10. They replace the extension wad lens. You put the tip adapter on it. You can use all sorts of tips, but you can also use the foam cannon. 3,300 psi there. It looks pretty foamy. I haven't used it. If you have, let me know what you think of it. But anyway, let's move along here. Where else we got? We got the 6-ton jacks. Those are out and available in stores. They're showing up. Some stores may not have it, but they are coming out. They did send me a set of these. I actually ended up loaning it to a buddy of mine who's working on a Ford, I think it's an F100. It's an older one, so he's got it up on there, and so far it's doing good. He's still doing all right. These are nice. They've upgraded them with the extra safety latch in there, so you've got the safety key in it as well. So you got double security on that, which is nice. Anytime you're going to be under a car, I want double, triple, put some blocks under it, that sort of thing. Always got to be safe down there. Hercules Extreme Duty Job Site Backpack. We had the Bauer one. We actually ended up giving it away as part of one of the contests. I actually was really surprised at the quality of that. Be interested to see how good the Herc is. They're not lightweight backpacks if that's what you're looking for. They got a nice big rubber foot there on the bottom to protect them from getting, when you're on the job site, you set them down and stuff and whatnot. But they can carry a lot of gear. $140 on that one. All right, the Merlin Pistol Grip Inflator with digital gauge. I love using this style inflator. $75. Everything I've seen from the Merlin group there over at Harbor Freight, the new air tools, are fantastic. As you know, the old, I think it was Chicago Pneumatic or Central Pneumatic, I can never remember, Central Pneumatic, I think it was. Those old air tools from Harbor Freight were, yeah, they were there. They were, a lot of them were pretty terrible. And I really love the new Merlin stuff that's showing up, because all of it, everything I've seen so far has been quite good. All right, we got the Bauer 20-volt cordless 4-gallon backpack chemical sprayer for $100. Now, there is a smaller carrying sprayer that they've got, but this thing has been, oh my gosh, I can't remember how long ago they leaked like a silhouette of this and saying coming soon. I'd all but forgotten about it, and now it finally shows up. So here it is. If you got some spring spraying to do and you're in the Bauer line, there you go, $100. It's not bad. Lastly, not really a new tool, but they've got this Find Your Air Compressor Helper guide here, which is great because it's one of the questions I get asked so many times that I can just point them to this page. Say you're doing airbrushing, and do you need compact light? Well, yes, I need it to be compact and lightweight. I want it to be gas or cordless, and there's my two options. So it takes you through and shows you what air compressor is going to meet the needs you have based on the tools. They ask often about like the power, whether you need it to be quiet, whether you need it to be portable. Anyway, just a good shopping guide there. I put a link to this down below in case that's what you're looking for. Anyway, that's all the Bear has for you today. Just a quick video letting you know about all the new stuff showing up over at Harbor Freight. Anyway, you all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.